I'm going to show you how you get your 1099, your tax form from your cryptocurrency, crypto.com. I received mine on January the 30th. But what they say, you can go to the help. It says search for this email address right here. It says no-reply@serviceinfo.crypto.com. So you take that and you search your emails. And I'm going to search. And you see right here, I got my form right here. It says important 1099 miscellaneous. You click on it. Once you click on it, just hit retrieve form. Then you enter your email address. Then enter the last 4 digits of your social. Verify. Hit I understand. It says click to verify. Verify is successful. I'm going to accept all cookies. So we got to enter our social security number and hit download. And I'm going to drop this on my desktop. It says 1099 miscellaneous. Let me put crypto so I can know. Crypto.com. Okay. Let me hit save. Okay, I'm gonna go to my desktop. It's right here. So I'll open it up. And there goes my form right there. So you can go through and you can see your form. And here you go. That's how you retrieve your 1099 from crypto.com. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day. If you want to purchase any of these things that you've seen in my video, go down there in the description or look in the drop down. I think this is the right side. The camera is reversed, or I'm gonna leave it here on the end screen. You can visit my Amazon affiliate store and I get a small commission if you go through my link. It doesn't cost you a penny. It doesn't cost me a penny. And even when I go and buy things off Amazon, I go to YouTube and try to find another YouTuber or somebody that has affiliate links so I can go through so they can get the commission. So it's that simple. It's not costing you anything. So if you can go to my store, like I said, I'm gonna leave a drop down or it's in the description or the show here on the screen. And again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.